Now they are watching me. This is well animated. Oh no. Okay, this is definitely a green screen, but still, it's great. The waves. Everything is now in slow motion. This is not. Oh, great. Luckily they are ducks so they can swim. Oh, I think I know what this sound is. Yeah! Plessy the Plesiosaurus. I love Plessy the Plesiosaurus. Now they are on our island. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, what is this screen? They are on a boat again. Wow. You know, all of these scenes in, I think this is episode 7 or episode 6. But still, all of these scenes are beautiful. With great animation, by the way. The cave dweller is probably here.
Don't worry. What are you doing?
This is beautiful.
Somebody here?
Is that a guy somewhere?
Hello? Your place is so real fun.
Hello. Guys, someone help me. Where are you?
No, I can't find you.
I'm up here. Come.
What's happening?
3.
Ah!
The scream is awesome. The cave monster. Love the SpongeBob sound. Okay, I don't know what is happening here. Oh, they escaped the cave. I don't know where did that rock come, but cool.
Ew.
Yeah, that is beautiful. Oh, not these little... I hate those things. He's gonna beat him up. Yeah! Get them! Okay, this is actually being copied, but can you really blame him? It's hard to animate it. Good job. NASA. Oh, they are going to be the first ducks in the moon. The moon has woke up. Well, that's beautiful.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
Wait, mind you,
Love the music background. Oh, what the? Oh, not the spaceship.
what's this place? I don't know. Okay, let's go now.
Yeah, what is going on to be exact?
Oh, okay.
What the? They are finding the rat. Oh, what the? The cat. I think